This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to block Roblox on YouTube. First, understand that completely eliminating every video can be tricky, as new content appears constantly. However, by using a combination of methods, you can significantly reduce its presence. We will start by targeting specific channels that frequently upload Roblox-related videos. This initial step will help you gain more control over what is displayed to your family. To block specific channels, begin by visiting the channel's main page. Once there, look for the About section, usually located near the top. Within the About section, you will find a small flag icon. Click on it to reveal more options. Select the Block User option from the drop-down menu. This action will prevent videos from that particular channel from showing up in your recommendations or search results, helping to filter unwanted content effectively. Next, enable YouTube's built-in restricted mode. This feature helps filter out potentially mature content across the entire platform, making it a good general safeguard. To activate it, go to your YouTube homepage and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down the menu until you see Restricted Mode. Toggle it to On. This applies per browser or device, so enable it on all devices your family uses for consistent protection. Consider using a browser extension for more advanced filtering. Extensions like Video Blocker or BlockTube allow you to input specific keywords, such as Roblox, to hide related videos. These tools often work by analyzing video titles and descriptions. Search your browser's extension store for a well-reviewed content blocker. Once installed, configure your desired keywords, and the extension will automatically filter content as you browse, adding another layer of protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.